When to use Wells Fargo personal loan is a crucial decision that requires careful consideration of your financial situation and goals. This guide will walk you through the key concepts and best practices to help you make an informed decision. First, it is essential to understand what a personal loan is and how it works. A personal loan is a type of unsecured loan that can be used for various purposes, such as consolidating debt, financing a large purchase, or covering unexpected expenses. Wells Fargo personal loans offer competitive interest rates and flexible repayment terms, making them a popular choice among borrowers. To determine if a Wells Fargo personal loan is right for you, consider the following scenarios. If you have high interest debt, such as credit card balances, a personal loan can be a good option to consolidate and simplify your payments. Additionally, if you need to finance a large purchase, such as a wedding or a home improvement project, a personal loan can provide the necessary funds. Another scenario where a Wells Fargo personal loan may be useful is when you need to cover unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs. In these situations, a personal loan can provide quick access to cash and help you avoid going further into debt. Before applying for a Wells Fargo personal loan, it is crucial to evaluate your financial situation and ensure that you can afford the monthly payments. Consider your income, expenses, and credit score, as these factors will impact your interest rate and loan terms. A good credit score can help you qualify for a lower interest rate and more favorable loan terms. In conclusion, a Wells Fargo personal loan can be a valuable financial tool when used responsibly and for the right purposes. By understanding your financial situation, considering your options, and evaluating your creditworthiness, you can make an informed decision about whether a Wells Fargo personal loan is right for you. Remember to always borrow responsibly and make timely payments to avoid accumulating debt and damaging your credit score.